Hello and welcome to Verdana 3D. Today we're gonna be modeling this beautiful flower in Fusion 360. Let's go to create new design. For this model we're gonna need all three planes available in Fusion. To make them visible, just press this little eye here. Okay, so for the first sketch we're gonna be using plane XY. Red and green XY. Second plane, this is XZ. And third one, ZY. Okay, starting. Create sketch. We can hide this. Okay, we need circle, 40 millimeters. We also need a line dividing this circle. Okay, one more circle, 43 millimeters. Okay, finish sketch. Sketch number 1 is ready. Next we need to extrude a cylinder. Let's choose this profile, hold the Ctrl, select one more profile, then go to extrude, extrude. We're going down minus 13 millimeters. Yeah, we're having cylinder. Then make sketch visible. Choose one more cylinder. Extrude, but this time we're starting not from profile plane, but from object. From the bottom, going up 10 millimeters. Join. Okay, we have it. Next, choosing this profile and using revolve feature, revolve, choosing axis, middle line, partial, 180 degrees, join. Okay. Next step is to create a second sketch. Pressing N, new sketch, choosing XZ plane. XZ, red and blue. You can choose it by pressing when it's getting a little bit white. If you have any difficulties, you can just make a long press with left button of your mouse and press XZ. Okay, then we need to project our body. We go to create, project, P, project, bodies, choosing body. Okay. Now we can hide body. Then we need to create a curve for our petal. We're going to use a fit point spline. Starting with this point. Okay, going here. And we have a magnet on the middle, which is very helpful. Okay, here. And let's not make it symmetrical. So this point is higher than this one. Finish. Sketch number 2 is ready. Last one, sketch number 3, N, new sketch, plane ZY, ZY, blue and green, ZY, P, project, not bodies, geometry, choosing geometry. Okay, next we need to project body as well, P, project bodies, body 1, okay. Now we're making petal using same tool, spline. This is the top of our curve, this point. Remember, this point, this is the top. We do like this, and I cannot press on this point because it's not projected. Escape, project P, geometry, point, top of the curve. Okay, now it's projected. Fit point spline. Randomly making a curve. First curve. Okay, ready. Second curve, not symmetrical. A little bit higher. And to the side. Okay, ready. We can adjust it later, no problem. Finish sketch. We have 3 sketches which are helping us to create a 3D dimensional flower. Okay, next step we are going to surface modeling, choosing sweep, single path, profile. This is our profile. Path. This is our path. Okay. New body. Okay, making body visible. Then we're going to solid. Modify, split body, choosing body to split, choosing splitting tool, our surface. Yep, pressing OK and getting error. So let's do it one more time. Choosing split body, body to be splitted, this one. Splitting tool, this one. And then extend splitting tool. Yep, okay, ready. Then we can make invisible unnecessary bodies. Body number 4, no, body number 1, yep. And this surface. Okay, we have a one petal. What we do next? We create sketch, plane XY, red, green, project this circle and this point. Okay, make the body invisible and creating point 1 millimeter distance from this point, 1 millimeter, finish. But now we need to make axis perpendicular to face at a point. Face, point. We have an axis perpendicular. Okay. Toggle up body. So now we can go to create pattern, circular pattern. Choose bodies. This is our body. Axis. This is our axis. 5 petals. Okay, good. Hiding axis. So we have our flower. To make it prettier, we can press Ctrl 4. We can leave it like this, or we can adjust the curves and make it a little bit different if you want. You can just make it different online. Okay, like this. And the final touch is painting. So we can go to appearance, modify, appearance, or just press A. By default, the flower is having a white color. We can just make double click, go to yellow, for example, done. If you want to make something like this, you need to go to appearance again, choose faces, duplicate this color, for example, duplicate, double click, choose different color, done, and then just drag it to a face to be painted with specific color, so you get different results. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comment sections and I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.